Hello everyone and welcome back to Web Gaming Entertainment. This is another update for the game Tech Executive Tycoon, which is due and scheduled to release this year. So let's jump into this update. This is the first video update in quite a while. But as it stands, what we've been doing, we've been in internal testing for this game over the past few months. But like I said, to begin, I want to first start by thanking everyone who's been supporting us. Your support, your kind words, your dedication is so appreciated. We definitely want to let you know that we're grateful. And as a result, we're in a very good place today in regard to this game. We're moving along very, very well. And actually this update is just designed to give you the latest information, latest news in regard to the development of Tech Executive Tycoon. So in that vein, we're going to begin with most of the things that we are in the process of testing, have tested, and are in the process and to begin testing very soon. As I mentioned, we are in the internal testing phase. There will be a testing phase which will involve the backers of this game. Quite a few years ago, we started out on Kickstarter. That was not successful, so we did not get any funds from that particular project, but then we did open up another project on Indiegogo, and actually those who donated there were able to actually donate, and we still have an account of all those donations and everyone who has donated and all the rewards that are tied to those donations. So you are still very much going to be receiving that, and you're still very much appreciated. Your donations was very useful and very much appreciated and valuable toward the development of this game. As we are right now focusing on the gameplay AI, as mentioned before, a lot of the focus has been on the AI, game balancing, making sure that the AI is challenging, making sure that they really are dynamic, and that has been going very well. There's still more to do in that area, and that's what we've been, the majority of our efforts have been going toward. Also, some game-breaking bugs that we want to make sure is completely cleared as much as we possibly can before the actual testing phase that will involve the backers of the game. As far as UI work and polish, that is a big key feature for this particular month. We're going with a different style. We're going to keep it very simple, yet very interesting enough, easy on the eyes, and that's pretty much the idea. What you see now is still very much a work in progress. However, some of the foundation of what you see is going to be in the game. And as I mentioned a moment ago, there's going to be some game balancing as well. We'll focus on game balancing, and that entails a lot more than just the AI. It's the game progression. It's quite a few different things that are going to matter, and also as far as navigating, you the player navigating the UI to achieve the goals that you're setting out to do. That's also a big focus of ours. However, we're leaving a lot as well for the actual testing, the closed testing phase, which will involve the backers. We're going to be depending on you to give us feedback on some things that you come across that we might not have. So we definitely still want to keep that in your mind that that time will come, hopefully sooner than later. Now there is some changes, as you probably have noticed in looking at the video, this particular video. We have reintroduced the build mode, so the office build mode, which before we had, but we did scrap that previously. But then we decided with the fact that we were able to, and we created a new system that would allow us to do it more efficiently. So we decided to go forward, and we have added that back in. So as you can see, you will be able to create your offices to a degree. There will also still be some pre-designed, pre-created offices for those who do not feel like doing so. To that point, we didn't want to go too robust with this feature, because we did not want to veer too far away from the idea of the game, which is a business management strategy game. So as expected, playing this game, the focus is on being the CEO, building your company to be great. And from there, again, when it comes to timetables, I know we've spoke about the release date in the past. We spoke about how long the development in this type of game development takes it takes time, and not only that, but it also has surprises for you sometimes. So again, we've already addressed the release date and the previous dates that we gave out. We addressed this issue before, so this is the last time that I will address it. So first of all, I just want to say once again thank you to those who understand and who have been following us and backing us this long and from the beginning, and those new nodes. So we want to say thank you to you all, and thank you for your patience. As your patience, we just can't overstate how grateful that we are for it. And and also as far as the company itself, we do have some games planned right after we finish Tech Executive Tycoon. We have a pretty interesting list of awesome titles that we are planning to build and create. So this first game, your support for this first game will go a very long way to jumpstarting our legacy in a sense. So thanks again for your support. We can't overstate that appreciation. Also, as far as the price or the cost of the game, we have that set at $24.99 at the present moment, and things can change, but at the present moment, that is exactly where we feel the value of the game lies. And part of what goes into that is the fact that it's our first game. However, it is looking and playing very well at this present moment, and we're just once we iron out all the extra details, and it is really it's a lot that you're not seeing in this video that is currently in the game now. The game is almost completely fully featured, and part of the last pieces that need to go in are tied to some of the bugs that we're ironing out right now. So we're almost there. We're very close. I wish sometimes that we can share it and tell you more, but as a result, we don't want to we don't want any upcoming unforeseeable changes to cause any frustration. So as it stands, the information that you have is the information that we can give. There's so much more to share, and we do hope to do that very soon. Stay tuned for the updates. I know right now we're just doing the once a month. We'll see how that goes. Right now we really have our heads down testing the game. So expect an update again hopefully next month, but of course stay tuned to the sites and we'll keep you updated. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you then.